Welcome to Mr. Math Academy. Grow your math brain.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain about pair of linear equation in two variable. Okay. So before going to explain this topic, SSLC 10th standard Karnataka state syllabus portion, third chapter, pair of linear equation in two variable. Let us study these points so that once we understand all these basic concepts, then it is easy for us to understand this chapter. Okay, let us consider some of the points are written here. First one, consider as a constant. Okay, what is this constant? Just numbers 5, 4, 3, 2, 8, anything. All these numbers we call it as a constant. Constant means whose value will never change, is known as constant. So what is variable now? Variable means whose value varies. For example, if I consider x plus 5 is equal to 10. Here x is call it as a variable, 5 is a constant, 10 is also a constant. Why x is called as a variable means we can apply values, go on and add these LHS so that we have to arrive at RHS. See, if I give 1 plus 5, 6, not equal to 10. 2 plus 5, 7, not equal to 10. Then 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Then LHS is equal to RHS. So we can go on, change the value, still we get the correct solution. So that is the reason this is we call it as a alphabet. Usually X, Y, Z. These are the three alphabets. We call it as a variables. Other alphabets are there. For example, if you consider A, B, C and all, K, everything. These are the some alphabets. We will consider it as a constants. Okay. So let us go for term. So what is term means? Let me write one expression. 5x plus 3y plus 10. This is we call it as an expression. So this each the 5x, 3y, 10. See, these we call it as a term. This is also term. This is a constant. Okay, like this. These are the separate terms. If I write 5x, 3y, all together we call it as a only one term. If I write 5x plus 2y, this is two term, binomial. Okay, we'll study about that later. Monomial, binomial, trinomial and all. Just think about this. If it is 5x plus 2y, it is a binomial and two terms. And if it is 5x plus 2x, it is not two terms. Actually, it is a single term only. 5x plus 2x is totally 7x. This will become single term. So, depending upon the equation, we have to tell that whether it is a one term or two term. But usually, it will become a monomial. Okay. So these are the terms now. Let us go for expression. Next is our expression. In expression, okay, anyone expression I'll write here 5x plus 2y plus 10. This is the expression. Okay. Here is equal to is not there, you have to remember. Once it comes is equal to 0, it will convert it as an equation. If is equal to is not there, just think that this is an expression. So let me write this is an expression. Okay. Now let me classify each and everything. I will write this as 5x 2y 10. Okay, these we call it as a terms. Already I told you before. Okay, these we call it as a terms. This is a complete expression. Okay, complete expression. Now I'll split this one. 5x. Suppose if it is a square here, it will become square here also. So what it will happen? 2y 2 times y. constant as it is. So these things we call it as a factors. Okay, so you have to remember here expression, term and factors. So till now we have studied here expression over. Now let us go for equation. So equation means what? I'll tell you. See, equation is something which equal symbol should be there. See, equal symbol should be there and LHS or HS value should be there. Our alphabetical orders means this one constant and variable, everything should be there. 5x plus 3 is equal to 10. This is an equation. Y means is equal to symbol is there, LHS is there and RHS is there. Okay. In this equation, this call it as a, already I have told you, I am reminding again, this is a term. Okay, this is a constant, this is also constant. One more thing I wanted to tell you, that coefficient. What is this coefficient means? I'll write coefficient of x, coefficient of x in 5x is coefficient of x in 5x, which means 5x is there here. I am going to find coefficient of x. Then what is this? Co means together. Okay, co-education, boys and girls together they are studying. Okay, like this. Next to us there is a something relation, that is we call it as a coefficient. So for this one, coefficient of x in 5x is 5. See, here x is there, for this coefficient is 5. Okay, let us go for the main concept which leads to our main topic, pair of linear equation in two variable. So let us go for equation. Let us go for equation. Okay, when we are thinking about the equation, okay, there are three types of equation. One is linear equation, another one is quadratic equation, another one cubic equation. Okay, let me classify separately and we'll study about these things. So what is linear equation? I'll tell you the meaning of linear. Linear means the power of variable should be 1. For example, 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. See, equation means equal symbol should be there, is equal to 0 RHS, no problem, we can write. This is a constant and this is a variable. Now this x is known as variable, this is the coefficient of x. Now linear means on the variable power should be 1. If it is 5x square plus 2, it is not a linear because power is 2. On the variable, if the power is 1, then we call it as a linear. So I will consider anything we can write. 3y plus 5 is equal to 10. See, y to the power 1. So it is linear. So standard formula we can write as ax plus b is equal to c or 0. You can write. The main thing is power 1 should be there. So this is the, consider it as a standard form. Now let us go for quadratic equation. Quadratic means on the variable power should be 2. Let me explain. 2x square plus 4x plus 5 is equal to 0. See here, constant power is 1. Okay, here power is 2. When the highest power we have to see. Here power is 2, therefore it is a quadratic equation. And this we call it as a degree. Okay, exponent, power, all are usual, similar to each other or are same. Degree means highest power. If the highest power on the variable is 1 means linear. If it is highest power is 2, then it is quadratic. So I'll write the standard formula now. Standard equation. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is a standard form. A, B, C are the constant, x is a variable, highest power is 2, so this is a quadratic equation. Okay. Let us go for cubic equation. Cubic equation means like this only, same equation, whatever you want you can write. Remember, the cubic means highest power should be 3. Like that fourth power equation is there something. So highest power should be 4. Okay. Go for cubic equation. Cubic equation means highest power should be 3. No need to go for that right now because we have to go directly to the chapter. Now I told about equation, so I came to the chapter, enter to the equation. In equation, categories are there, different types: linear equation, quadratic equation, cubic equation. Linear equation means highest power of the variable is 1. Quadratic means highest power of the variable is 2. Cubic, we'll think about it later. Let us go for linear equation. In that, okay, we have to elaborate it now. Okay, now this is for linear equation over. I'll write one example. 5x plus 2 is equal to 8. This is linear equation in one variable. Linear equation in one variable. Our chapter is 2 variable, means 2 variables should be there. So what we have to write? I'll write it as 5x plus 2y. 5x plus 2y is equal to 0. Now see, linear equation, power is 1. Okay, in 2 variables, x, y, 2 variables are there. Now the main the thing is, complete chapter name is pair of. Pair means 2 in number. So I'll write one more equation. 3x plus 4y is equal to 15. Something, anything you can write, no problem. The thing is that x, y should be there, power 1 only should be there. Okay. So what it becomes now, this is a pair. Okay, this is a pair of linear equation, means highest power of variable is 1. If it is 2, this is not a pair of linear equation. Okay, this is a pair of linear equation in 2 variable and quadratic equation in 2 variable. It is, we cannot imagine like this. So remove this. Linear equation in 2 variable, consider it as a together pair, so it will become pair of, this is a pair of linear equation. Power 1 is there, so it is a linear equation is equal to symbol is there in 2 variable x and y, 2 variable. Hence we arrived at the chapter name, pair of linear equation in 2 variable. So okay, see, pair of linear equation in 2 variable. So I'll write 2 equations. 5x plus 2y is equal to 10. 3x plus y is equal to 7. This is pair of linear equation in two variable. I'll write it in this is pair of, just write, I'll write like this. This is the chapter name, means two equations are ready. I'll write standard formula for this. What is that? A1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. A1x plus b1y plus is equal to c1, sorry, I'll write like this, standard form I have to write now, plus 10 is equal to 0 plus 5 is equal to 0. See, a1x plus b1y plus c1, there is same thing I have written here, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, like this. For this is the first equation, this is the second equation. Together it will become pair of linear equation. So a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Okay, you have to remember here a1, b1, c1. A1 means 5, b1 means 2, c1 means 10. Okay, next, in this equation, this is the second equation, a2, b2, c2. 3, here nothing means 1 will be there, take it as 1, c is 5. If negative number is there, negative also you can write. I'll consider it as. If it is minus, I'll write it as minus here also. So you understood the values. Why I told means, because I wanted to tell you that standard form of pair of linear equation in two variable. So this is the standard form of pair of linear equation in two variables. So once we understand the link between these two, there are so many problems are there related to this. Okay, to check consistent, inconsistent and all, we can able to easily solve. Okay, easily I have to write means, okay, take it as a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. See, b is 2, like this. Okay, this is one equation. Another equation is 3x, what I wrote, y plus, sorry, minus 5 is equal to 0, I wrote previous equation. So for this I'll write it as a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Here nothing means 1 will be there. Now a2 means what? 3, I wrote already before only. So b2 means 1, I wrote. c2 means minus 5, I have written. So this is what pair of linear equation, two variable, and this standard formula is standard equation, standard form of equation. Now let us go for method of solving pair of linear equation. How to solve these linear equations, how many methods are there? Okay, this is the most important concept. From here onwards chapter begins actually. Okay, after that we'll go for the exercise 3.1. So for this methods, method of solving, how many methods are there to solve this means totally we have in 10th standard 4, but this year they have deleted one method from the SSLC textbook. Okay, so what are the methods to solve? I'll write here. One is elimination method. Okay, second one is substitution method. Third one is cross multiplication method, which is not there. Let us go for graphical. I'll write right. Graphical method. Okay, one more is there, cross multiplication. One more is there, cross multiplication. cross multiplication method is there. This is not there for your examination. Okay, no need to study right now. If they add in the examination, then we'll think about it. So we have three methods: elimination method, substitution method, and graphical method. Okay, if these three methods if you study completely, this chapter will finish. For this graphical method, for your final examination, you will get 4 marks definitely. Okay, either elimination or substitution method, you will get 2 marks. Altogether 6 marks over. Remaining 2 you may get it in 1 marks or choose the correct option.